here.
You sing it. Are you talking about superheroes?
Yeah.
What's your superhero song?
Did you just hear me?
Mm-hmm. And you were singing something about a ring. What does that go?
What? We are superheroes. We are superheroes. We are superheroes. We are superheroes.
What's the ring one? How's that go?
So what if super win on it? Selective super win on it. Selective super win on it.
How does the rude one go?
Why do you have to be so rude? Why do you have to be so rude? That's all the songs I know.
It is?
Yeah. I learned a few songs. Did you hear my new few songs?
Mm-hmm.
Rolled away and wheeled down. I rolled in the deep for a long, long time. Whoa, played in the snow for a long, long time. Oh yes I did, oh yes I did, I know I did. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Can you sing the wagon wheel one?
Rolling in the deep.
No, not rolling in the deep. The wagon wheel one. The Mama Rock Me one.
Mama rock me, mama like a wagon wheel. Ooh, ooh, mama rock me, mama like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama like a cell phone train.
How about the Swagger Jagger? Do you know that one?
Swagger Jagger, get some on your own. You got mommy, get your game on, get your game on.
You can't stop.
Look at me, look at me, look at me.
Blow a kiss.
Let's sing some more.
Blow a kiss. It's time.
Can hear Wake the Storm Up? My favorite Wake the Storm Up?
Okay.
Wake the storm up, oh yes. Wake the storm up. That's all I know.
Okay. Say goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.
Blow.
Hope you like my songs.
Blow a kiss.